If you're looking for the perfect 1.5 story, you'll love the 2,410 square foot Westchester floor plan. This popular single-story Westchester home is loaded with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and offers the great curb appeal featuring custom brick and stone masonry. As you enter the home, your eyes will love the open floor plan, architectural designs, and hand-scraped hardwood floors. Just past the Texas-sized front door entry, you'll find large formal dining and living rooms. The large family room is complemented by our First Texas signature fireplace and flows seamlessly into the chef's kitchen, breakfast nook, and covered patio. This designer's custom kitchen comes complete with a chef's island, granite countertops, custom cabinetry, pantry, and stainless steel appliances. The spacious owner's suite includes a private sitting area, spa-styled master bathroom, and a huge walk-in closet. The master bathroom has a deep garden tub, separate stand-up custom shower, and dual vanities with designer granite countertops. Additionally, you'll find 3 large bedrooms and neighboring bathroom and powder room. And if you enjoy entertaining and recreation, you'll love the family game room located just up the private stairway. We can build you this floor plan in many of our First Texas Homes communities. Contact a First Texas Home sales consultant in the community of your choice to find out more about building the Westchester floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.